everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new card kit. This is our December card kit, last one for the year. It's called Garden Path, and let me show you everything that's in the kit. So I'm gonna open this guy up, and in the kit, we've got everything you need to make 6 cards with envelopes, and then you can make more with your leftovers because you've got 10 cards and envelopes. Got some of our Sunshine Pearls, our Garden Path creative cuts, a small little cut apart sheet here with some birthday and other sayings on it for card making, our Garden Path 6x6 collection pack, some ribbon, and this cover sheet here has actually got 6 card ideas to get you started. So let me show you the cards and then I'll explain how that works. So these are the gorgeous little cards. They're just good ones to have in your stash. So I've used the Happy Housewarming on here, but you could swap that up. We've got birthday wishes, best wishes, thanks for being amazing, a cute little gardening one there, congratulations, and happy birthday. So like I said, really good for your stash because there is lots of different ideas and sayings on there. So if I put this card here, you can see that if you measured from here to here on your sheet, that's the exact same size as my card, and again from here to here, from here to here. So all you need to do is just measure this sheet out and you will be able to make them exactly the same as me. So this card making kit is now online and is shipping. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.